ka yok kakot Jong ki ADCs.
U MLA kanong po uba Mayralborn Syiem ulaong baki rel ki bakit ki mar ki mata ki laban Wanrah ya kajing dunador jong ki mar ki mata bat kan bu ya kajing syong sir ya ki try muluk ha kajela habya kren bat ki nong tho kubor uba Syiem ulaong baki rel kit mar ki long ki badonkam bat ka donkam bandon ya ka an ka bate lakam kum ka inner line permit bat ka Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act ulaong baladep banya kren bat kinong don binta bat kiseng bhalang ban yo ya kajing minjur halor ka project na linti rel la ban kedaw baka sarkar jella ka penpaw ya kajing temu ban Wanrah ya kelinti rel harilom jaintia hadian balami kajing persya ya ka project ban penya ya ki rel ki bakit ya ki mar ki mata bat ru ya ki nong let nong wan na shillong
past also that you should welcome goods train services. The reason it will ease down price rise and other issues within the state, easy communication and all. On record, I would like to say that why we are pushing for Meghalaya Residence Safety Security Act, why we are pushing for inner line permit, for the safety of our own people. Goods train is very needed, we need in our state, but at the same time, we have to position ourselves with certain legislation, certain act, so that we can protect the indigenous people of our state also.